Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine. Good morning, beta. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Okay, so everyone, we have to start with question number 11.
11.
Yes, this is the figure in question 11. Yes, Paridhi.
Sir, I have done question 11 and 12. May I send it on group?
Wait for a minute, beta. You can send for question 11. You can
Okay, sir.
send A, B, C, P, Q. In the question, it is given that ABC is an isosceles triangle where AB is equal to AC, given in the question. Length of AB is equal to length of AC, and AP is equal to AQ. This is also given in the question. So we have to prove BQ equal to CP. So very similar to question number 10. Okay. So we will be proving congruency in triangle ABQ and triangle ACP in these two triangles. Okay. Let me shade the two triangles. The first one is triangle ABQ, and the second one is triangle ACP. Okay, so let me shade this also. Shade it with pink color. Okay. Yes. Understood which two triangles? All of you? So ABQ and ACP. Let's start. Here AB is equals to AC given. Okay, AB is side of triangle ABQ and AC is side of triangle AC given they are equal. And AQ is equal to AP. AQ is side of which triangle? Can you name the triangle? AQ is a side of triangle. AQ is side of which triangle? ABQ. It is side of triangle ABQ. So AQ, you can see this yellow triangle shaded with yellow color. ABQ, it is a side of triangle ABQ, right? So AQ is equals to AP, again given in the question itself. And the third thing, angle A is a common angle in both the triangles. Angle A is equals to angle A common. Okay, therefore we can say that triangle ABQ is congruent to triangle ACP by SAS.
Yes.
Now the two triangles are congruent, therefore we can say that BQ, look at the last two letters of both the triangles, BQ, CP. We can say that BQ is equal to CP. Reason?
Sir, by C.
CPCT. Okay. So this is what we had to prove, that BQ is equal to CP. We have proved it. Okay. All of you. Let's start with question number 12.
So, So me and Paridhi have done question number 12. So can we send?
Yes. Let me check your question 11. Who has posted question 11? Paridhi and Sara have posted. Right, totally, absolutely right.
Sir, I have not done that, so that's why I'm just doing it.
Okay. Sara, correct. Very good. Question 12. Question 12. Beta, Paridhi, in question 12, AD and AE are equal, but how they are equal, this is also what you have to show here. You have to show that AD is equal to AE. Why? By adding equations. Okay. We have to add equations to show that they are equal. So which equations we have to add? This we have to show. Okay.
Okay.
Let me show you question 12. In this, there is again a triangle ABC, and then the side AB and AC are produced. The two sides are produced further. Okay. So this is triangle ABC, and then AB is produced to point D,
Sir,
and AC is produced to point E. I'm checking it, Sarah. Paridhi, now it is correct.
Okay.
Sarah, correct. Okay, so anyone else? Karnak has also posted. Very good, Kanak. Anyone else? Has anyone else also done question 12?
sir, I'm doing. I haven't done.
Okay, try it. So in this question, it is given that AB is equal to AC and BD is equal to CE. So here, the length AB is equal to AC. First of all, mark this as equation 1. This is given in the question. BD is equal to CE. Equation 2 again given. Okay. If we add both the equations, adding 1 and 2, equations 1 and 2, when we add equations, we add the LHS of both the equations. AB plus BD will give you AC plus CE, and the RHS of both the equations you will add. So AB plus BD, what will it make? Everyone, tell me. AB plus BD, if you add the length of
Sir,
AB and BD, you will get you will get what?
AD.
You will get AD, correct. And if you add AC and CE, you will get AE, right? So AD equals to AE. We will be using it to prove triangle ADC congruent to triangle AEB. Shading the two triangles. This is your first triangle AB, sorry, ADC, and the second triangle with green color. Triangle AEB, the two triangles. Okay. So we have got one thing, that is AD is equal to AE. AD is the side of triangle ADC, correct? And AE is the side of triangle AEB. Now, second thing, look at the pink triangle again, triangle ADC. Here, the side AC of triangle ADC, pink triangle, and the side of green triangle AB, they are equal, given. They are equal, already equal. And angle A again, as in the previous question, very similar again to question 10 and 11. Angle A, sorry, not B. Angle A is equal to angle A common. Okay. Therefore, we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle
ABE.
AEB.
So by
ADC,
SA.
Sir,
this
by
is
SS.
ADC. Okay, triangle ADC is congruent to triangle AB by SAS. Very good, correct. By SAS. The two triangles are congruent. Can we say that CD is equal to BE now?
Yes, sir, by
Yes, sir, by
CPCD.
CPCT. You can see the last two letters here when you written the congruency, as I told you in the starting of the chapter, that when two triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts you can see in the way you have written it. From there only you can find out. So CD is equal to BE. Reason CPCT. And if you want, you can look in the figure also, and then also you can tell. CD and BE are equal because the two triangles are congruent. Okay. Question 12. Can we start with question 13 now?
So maybe
Yes.
sending.
Yes, please send it. Those who are left. Sania, Zehra. Anyone else left? Vrinda. Vrinda,
Sir, I have not added.
you're doing maths these days or not? Vrinda. Oh. Soumya, have you done?
Yes, sir, I'm just sending. Sir, I have done that by myself, and sir, I have written AD equal AE. Then after, by seeing yours, I have added AB plus BD equals AC plus CE.
Better correct it. Whatever the mistake is, please correct it.
Sir, send.
So, question 13. All of you ready?
Yes. Yes.
Where can I do it by myself?
Try it. It is very easy, all of you. I give you 1 minute to do it.
Sir, send.
Send it.
Sir, send.
Done already. Very good.
Yes.
Oh. So ABC and BCD are two triangles on the same base BC, and it is given that AB is equal to AC and BD is equal to CD. BD and CD are equal. We have to prove that AD is the bisector of angle A as well as angle D. That means we have to show that AD has cut angle A into two equal parts and angle D also in two equal parts. We have to show that. That means we have to prove that the two angles, these two angles are equal. That means AD has bisected angle A and also it has bisected angle D. This is what we have to prove, that the two parts of angle D are equal and the two parts of angle A are equal. Okay. So how many of you have posted it? Faridi,
Sir, I
Sara,
have done and just posted.
okay, and Kanak. Kanak, very good, correct. Sara, this is okay. Acha, this is one part of the question. Okay, correct. Sara, correct. You have posted it in two
Sir,
photos.
mine is coming a bit wrong. I'm just checking it again.
Sir, the space was not there, so I have done
Okay.
it on it.
Faridi, correct.
Sir, I have made figure like somewhat
Sania,
unique, but sir, I have seen from the books. So maybe.
common, equal, correct.
So mine is correct.
Sania, just one thing you have not written. Angle BAD is equal to angle CAD, correct? You also have to write angle BDA equal to angle CDA. And then you can say that AD is the bisector of angle A and angle D. In both the places you have written angle D.
Yes, sir. Yes, I thought. Yes, sir. A. Sir, I thought of that to write the ADA BDA, but sir, I thought it is the same thing only.
Hmm. Okay, all of you. So those who are left, AB is equal to AC given in the question. We are proving triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Okay. For that, first thing AB equals to AC given. Second thing BD equals to CD again given. Third thing AD is equal to AD, which is a common side. Okay. AD equals to AD common. Therefore, we can say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by criteria. Name the criteria by which triple S criteria by SSS. And because the two triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts will be equal. So therefore, we can say that angle BAD is equal to angle CAD,
CAD by
CPCT,
C.
and angle BDA is also equals to angle CDA.
Sir, again CPCT.
CPCT, correct. Therefore, now because we have proved that this is equal to this and this is equal to this, therefore we can say that AD is bisector of angle A and angle D, hence proved. Okay, got it, everyone?
Yes. Sir.
Can we move on to the next question? Question 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All are to be done in the book. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All the questions we will do. 14, 15, 16 are more of a theoretical questions. checking the matlab theoretical means you don't have to prove anything in the copy or don't write any solution in the copy. It is more of a conceptual question. Can I remove it from the board, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So question 14. Here it is given in question 14 that if two triangles have their corresponding angles equal, if the corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then are they always congruent? क्या वो हमेशा congruent होंगे? If two triangles are such that their corresponding angles are equal, for example, let me draw two triangles for you.
Sir,
Suppose
not necessary.
this is the first triangle, and then suppose this is the second triangle. Their shape is same. Am I right or not? In the two triangles, the shape is same. देखने में shape बिल्कुल
sir.
same है. Suppose this angle of this triangle is 30 and this is 75 and this is also 75. In the other triangle also this is 30. Sum of all the angles is always 180. So you can check the sum also. Sum is coming 180, right? And this is 75 and this is 75. That means can we say that all the angles of the two triangles are same? All angles are same. 30, 75,
Yes, sir.
75, 30, 75, 75. So if angles are same, does this mean that the two triangles are congruent? Can you say the two triangles are congruent?
No, sir.
No,
Because the
not at all.
measure can be different.
No, sir,
So
because
that's
the sides were
What is the condition that is required to be congruent? What is the most important point? Two things
so
I
the
told you.
length of its side
Two
and so
things.
the
Two things. Basics. What are the two basic things for because of which the two triangles are congruent? Shape
the
and
corresponding angles
shape
equal to
and
it.
size. Shape and size.
the shape and size, the
If
main.
two triangles have same shape and same size, then they are congruent. So here the shape is same, but the size is different. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So the two triangles are not congruent. No, they are not congruent. So what is the answer of question 14? If two triangles have their corresponding
No.
angles equal, are they congruent? No, not always.
No, sir.
Okay. You can give the reason that because triple A is not a valid criteria to prove congruency. This is the reason. Because triple A यहाँ पे कौन सा केस हो रहा है? Triple A, that means all
A.
angles equal.
So angle,
So you
angle,
can say
angle.
that triple A is not a valid criteria to prove congruency.
So may we send our next question or no?
Yes. नहीं बेटा, these questions are to be done in the book only.
Okay.
Okay, so you make a small figure for question 14 in the space given in the book only somewhere. And just give a small reason. Triple A is not a valid criteria to prove congruency. Okay. Question 15, very similar to this. So now two sides and one angle, any one angle of two triangles are same. Then you have to tell whether the two triangles will be congruent or not. So for that also I will draw a figure to explain what does this mean. So this is a triangle which has, suppose this is 4 centimeter and this side is suppose 6 centimeters. Okay, and now when I join this, you get a triangle like this. And there is another way. I will explain, don't worry. Okay, what do I mean? Read the question, everyone, till then, all of you. Read the question.
Yes, sir.
So here I have drawn two triangles where the two sides of the two triangles, suppose this is 4, this is 6. Similarly here also, this is 4 centimeters, this is 6 centimeters. This angle is suppose 20 degrees and this is also suppose 20 degrees. Okay, it may vary a little bit, but the main concept that I want to explain will be clear from these two figures, that 4 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 20 degrees, same sides, same angle, two sides are same, one angle is same in both the triangles, but can we say that the two triangles are congruent? The answer is, are the two triangles congruent? Answer is yes or no? Yes, all of you, are the two triangles congruent or not?
Yes, sir, they are.
They are congruent.
Yeah.
No,
No.
sir, they are not.
Totally
No, sir.
not congruent, because the
So
shape is not
definitely
same.
yes.
The shape is different, but the lengths are same.
Shape is different, lengths are same, now correct. So they are not congruent. The first one is an obtuse angle triangle, the second one is an acute angle triangle. So they are not congruent, obviously they are not congruent, shape is entirely different. So answer is no, because what is the reason? Because they are showing an SSA criteria. Read all the 5 criteria that I made you write down. Is SSA a criteria written in those? No,
Yes, sir. It is.
SSA is not a criteria. See the all the 5 criteria, SSA दिख रहा है उसमें आपको? It is not there. Is there? Is it there? Sania? SSA criteria is there or not, Sania?
Yes, sir. No, sir. No, sir. It is not.
It is not there. So here
So, sir, in question number
SSA
12, I
criteria
have
is there.
written as
Arey, why?
a
SS,
It is
So this is
SAS,
the
not SSA. Sania.
yes, sir, SS.
SAS is a valid criteria, not SSA. So this is the reason why the two triangles are not congruent. And now you have to tell, the second part of the question is, what will be the change if you want to make the two triangles congruent? If instead of SSA, if we use SAS criteria, if the criteria is SAS, then the two triangles will be congruent. Okay, so here that problem is that the two triangles are having SSA, that is why they are not congruent. If you make two triangles where two sides are equal and the angle is between the two equal sides, okay, included between the two equal sides, बीच वाला अगर एंगल होगा, यहाँ पे एंगल बीच में नहीं है equal sides के, am I right? The angle is not between the angles, between the sides. So if the angle is between the equal sides, then the criteria will become SAS, and in this criteria the triangles are congruent. Okay, so this is the answer of the second part of the question.
okay, sir.
Conceptual questions. Question number 16. If the areas of two triangles are same, then are they congruent? I am making two triangles here
Sir,
to
because the
show.
length of the sides can be different from each other.
To show, I am making two triangles where you will see that the sides are different, lengths are different, but when you find the area, you will get the same area of the two triangles. For example, here, so these are two right angle triangles where this is suppose 3 centimeters, this is 8 centimeters. We can make a right angle triangle like this, 3 and 8. And suppose this is 4 centimeters, this is 6 centimeters. Again, this is a right angle triangle. What are the areas of both the triangles? Area of this triangle is half into base into height, 8 into 2. This is the formula,
12.
and it is 12 centimeters square. In this case, the area of the triangle is half into base into height. Again, the area is 12 centimeters square. So are the areas of both the triangles same?
Yes,
Areas are
sir.
same or not?
Yes, sir.
If we make two
Yes, sir.
triangles where the areas are same, Can we say that the two triangles are congruent?
No, sir.
No, not at all. The shape is different. The lengths of the sides are different, so they are not congruent. Areas are same, but the triangles are not congruent. So that means the answer will be, if the areas of two triangles are same, this does not mean that the triangles are congruent. एरिया सेम होने से ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट नहीं होते हैं. ओके,
Okay.
नॉट ऑलवेज. कभी कभी हो भी सकते हैं, बट नॉट ऑलवेज. आई हैव गिवन यू एन एग्जांपल वेयर दे कैन नॉट बी कॉन्ग्रुएंट, दे कांट बी कॉन्ग्रुएंट. ओके. Okay, start doing question 17 and 18 in your copies, everyone. True, false, fill-ups. You have to write the answers yourself. I give you three. Sorry.
Sir, in copy.
In the book, beta. Book. Sorry. I said copy.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Fill-ups and true, false. Write the answers in the book, and
Send it on
then we will discuss these answers after 2.5 minutes. I am giving you 2.5 minutes
send it
to write
on
all.
group.
Beta.
So do we have to send this on group?
No, we will discuss it orally. Okay. I will
Done.
ask you and you will tell me.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Okay. Rest of you also please complete it. All the fill-ups and true, false. Question 17 and 18.
Sir, I have already.
Okay, all of you ready? Everyone?
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very good. First one. Two line segments are congruent if they have same
The
length.
same length.
Same length.
Same length. Line segment. Line segment congruent कब होंगे? जब उनकी length same होगी. Okay. Two angles are congruent if they have same
Equal measurement.
measurement,
Same
equal measurement, same measurement. Okay. Angles का measure same होगा, then they will be congruent. Two squares are congruent if they have
Same
length and
side.
side.
same side. Length of the side is same, because the shape of squares are always same. If you make a small square and if you make a big square, the shape will always remain the same because it is a square. Square की shape तो same ही होती है. ऐसा थोड़ी होता है कि कोई square आपने टेढ़ा सा बना दिया. Not possible. So if it is a square, the shape will remain same. Only thing is that if the side of the squares are same, sides are same, then the squares will be congruent. Fourth one, two circles are congruent if they have
Same
Equal
radius and
same
diameter.
radius
Or
Okay.
diameter.
or diameter. Correct. Same radius or same diameter. Both the answers are right. Two rectangles are congruent if they have
Same
Same
length.
length and breadth.
same length and breadth. Two triangles are congruent if they have
Same
All
angle
part equal.
and
same
size.
shape and size. Okay. Two triangles are congruent if they have same shape, same angles and same sides. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, or you can write same shape and size. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay. Okay. Question 18. First one, we have to answer in true or false. All squares are congruent.
Sir, it is perfectly false.
False.
So
आपने एक स्क्वायर छोटा बना दिया, एक बड़ा बना दिया, तो congruent हो जाएंगे? No. If two squares have equal areas, they are congruent.
true.
Squares
Sir, true.
areas equal हैं, then it is true. If the areas of squares are same, that means the sides of the squares are same, then they will be congruent. If two figures have equal areas, they are congruent. The answer is
False.
no, false. Because in case of triangle, it may be like in question 16 only. It is there on the board also. The areas are same, but still the triangles are not congruent. So for the third one, it is false. If two triangles are equal in area, they are congruent. Obviously false.
Sir,
Question
false.
16.
False.
Sir, question 16, yes, sir.
If two sides and one angle of a triangle are equal, two sides and one angle are equal to the corresponding two sides and angle of another triangle. Question 15 ban gaya. The triangles are congruent? False.
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 Question 15. No, we have just done question 15. Two sides and एक angle equal होने से triangles are not congruent until the angle is between the two sides. Okay, equal sides. Okay, understood. Question which one was it?